Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered if AI is going to replace me? Or maybe you thought, are clients going to start using ChatGPT instead of calling me?
If that's the thought that's crossed your mind, you're not alone. We're both hearing that a lot. But here's the truth. AI is not your replacement. If you learn to use it, it's going to be your new associate.
And that's exactly why we're going to show you in an upcoming program sponsored by the IARFC. AI is not your replacement, it's your new associate.
Right now, a lot of financial and insurance professionals are feeling a little afraid and intimidated of all this new AI stuff. It's everywhere in the news and marketing and client conversations. But here's what we know after working with thousands of advisors. Technology changes, but human trust doesn't.
Yeah. AI can analyze data, it can summarize information, AI can create drafts, but AI cannot build trust across kitchen or conference room tables. It cannot read body language, it cannot replace the judgment built from user experience, and it definitely cannot replace you.
So the real question isn't, will AI replace me? The real question is, how do I make AI work for me? What if you had a low-cost associate who worked for you 24/7, helping you draft emails, preparing research summaries, helping you role play different conversations, organizing ideas, and saving you hours every week?
That's what AI can become. Not your competitor, but your competitive advantage.
In this session that we're doing, we're going to cover three big things. First, why AI will never replace live consultants. We'll break down exactly why the human element, empathy, judgment, credibility, is irreplaceable. Second will be how to harness AI so it becomes your associate, as we're saying. We'll show you how to delegate the routine so you can focus on revenue producing activity.
And third, specific tools that are out there that you can put in place immediately. Not theory, not hype, real world tools, some specifically designed for consultants that you can start using the very next day.
So we'll be talking about using AI to take notes while you're meeting with a client and then put those notes into your CRM directly and identify the tasks that you need to do and what you've asked the clients to do. We'll talk about role play to improve your closing ratio, how to use it to plan events and handle everything right down to the artwork for the invitation and the slides for the presentation. We'll talk about creating social media posts by using AI so that it's doing the bulk of the work, improving productivity, enhancing client service, generating ideas for you, and reclaiming valuable time.
Absolutely. I'm Coach Jeremy Nason from the Insurance Pro Shop. I spend my days helping advisors implement systems, marketing strategies that actually work in the real world. Been doing it for 30 some years.
And I'm Sandy Schussel, advisor performance coach for over 25 years. I've helped financial and insurance professionals grow their practices by improving conversations, confidence, and performance. And together, we're combining practical implementation with performance strategies. So you don't just understand AI, you actually get excited about using it.
Yeah, look, AI is not going to go away. And the advisors who intelligently will have a serious edge. The ones who ignore it are going to fall behind.
This program is going to help you stop fearing it and start using it to build a more efficient, profitable, and competitive business.
So we invite you to join us.
Come discover how AI can become your most affordable, hardest working associate.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there. And then, by the way, the script for this conversation was written by AI after we told it what we wanted to say. You can do the same. Come and learn how.